ring burner is gaining momentum. They landed an interview with an engineer at a major luxury cooktop brand.
What's your overall reaction to this technology? You think it's interesting? Is it, cute but not useful? Or is this revolutionary,
And he told Mike he likes the flexibility of the ring burner's design, even calling it a paradigm shift.
So the other major feedback that we've been getting is that they're all interested in the technology, they like it, but it's not at the point where they're ready to have a serious business conversation. And so, we realized that we've got some engineering work to do and we're preparing to pitch that internally.
So they went to Robin in the Innovation and Partnerships office.
If this burner takes over their industry, that's real money.
Yeah, that's great. Okay, so I think we have a great case for trying to get an innovation grant.
Funding for a proper prototype.
And I think we're set up to maybe try to get lab senior management to support the second phase of this project. So it's very exciting. They're an awesome team.
Everyone seems stoked on the ring burner.
Actually, it's the most fun I've had at work in quite a while.
Oh, good. Hear that?
I'm having a lot of fun. It's hectic. It's more hectic and more fun than my normal work life.
Yeah. I've got a billion other things going on in my work and personal life right now. And I don't want to lose sight that this is something that's actively going forward.
As they prepare their funding pitch and wrap up Lab-Corps, Darren finished retrofitting the camp stove.
It sits in there on top of a gasket and a drum roll.
Ooh, very nice. Is it coming to Denver with us?
This is coming to Denver. And we are hoping to show this as a potential integration into their product line. We'll use what we've learned here in this conversion as we shift the ring burner technology into cooktops.
Our team landed in Denver and headed for a meeting. They even got to fire up the camp stove for other Lab-Corps teams to see. In the end, they learned a dramatic amount about customer discovery in the cooktop industry.
So far I did. I learned a lot more about, small startups and what it takes to do that and interviewing.
But the greatest value the team derived was in saving time and energy.
Yeah, and I think we had sort of a list of priorities, engineering priorities, before we came into the program, and some of those were wrong. And I think we would have wasted more time executing our first round of engineering priorities than we spent actually doing the Lab-Corps exercise and coming to the right list of priorities that's actually going to be responsive to what people want to see out in industry.
Over the past 6 weeks, our scientists' notions of how their technology interacts with the world has fundamentally changed.
Without the Lab-Corps process, ring burner would not be where it is today. Lab-Corps is a highly empirical process. It's one that's critical for engineers and scientists to understand, even if they're not looking at technology development for commercialization. The customer discovery principles are influencing all aspects of my research. Here at Lawrence Berkeley National Lab, I am using them on a daily basis now, and they will influence the rest of my career.